Show you a new and highly effective TradingView indicator you haven't seen before. This tool shows absolutely amazing results on all markets and it's suitable for scalping. I will also build and backtest a trading strategy with this indicator so that you can follow it right away and make good profits. For my backtesting, I will set the initial account size at $1,000 with 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio and 2% risk per trade. I'm going to be backtesting the strategy on a GBP JPY on a 15-minute time frame. Okay, now let's click on the indicators tab and search for pivot high/low analysis forecast by Lux Algo. Make sure you save this indicator to your collection. This indicator returns pivot points highs/lows alongside the percentage change between one pivot and the previous one and the distance between the same type of pivots in bars. The indicator also returns an estimate of the future time position of the pivot points. This indicator can provide information helping the user to infer the position of future pivot points. This information is directly used in an indicator to provide such forecasting. It is also common for analysts to use pivot points for the construction of various figures. Getting the percentage change and distance for each pivot point can allow them to eventually filter out points of non-interest. If we access the indicator settings, we can see that in the input section the length is set at 50. Depending on your trading strategy, you can enable or disable this option. In the style section, we also got some options that we can enable or disable. So let's actually untick these tables as we're not going to need them. Now let's actually understand how this indicator works in practice. Notice we've got two horizontal lines on our chart. The red one indicates the resistance, the green one indicates the support. And we've also got two vertical lines. And these are the time estimates when the price action is supposed to hit the bottom and the top of these horizontal lines. For example, a vertical red line indicates that the price action is expected to reach this horizontal green line right at this time. And as we can see, the prediction was pretty accurate. A vertical green line though indicates that the price action is expected to reach the top right at this time. Obviously, not all the predictions are 100% accurate, and that's the reason we're not going to be using the forecast for our strategy. Our strategy will be entirely based on these horizontal levels. Okay, now let's actually understand the whole concept behind this strategy. First of all, we're going to be using these two what the true win rate for check out this playlist right here.